Namaste. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great in your life. And today in this video, you are going to know the very first step to follow to improve your way of communication. Because for being the communicator, you have to be the good speaker over it. And how you can improve it. Because if you want to be the speaker, the speaker doesn't allow you to express the things in a very simple way, in only a one way. Simple way means in only a one way. Because if you are a speaker of any particular language, and if you are saying something to others and other is not able to understand and get your point of view, then how can you make them understand in another way? So for that, you have to think those all things in all the possible ways sentences. So for that, you have to follow the very first and very small step. uh, then you have to, and what is that step? The expressing one scenario in many ways. So for that, I am only taking the example of reading. And you can take so many examples. Whatever you are doing, you are reading, you are writing, you are watching, you are playing, whatever you are doing, you can take that examples, and you can take this example in another way. Like you can ask yourself and you can answer it by yourself. So for now, I'm taking the example of only the reading. If I'm reading books, then am I reading books? Why do I read books? Should I read books? If I read books, then why is it necessary to read books? Have I been reading this book since Monday? And I must read this book. I think I must not. I must not follow this book. I think I am not allowed to read this kind of books. So see, if you are speaking over reading, then you can speak on the various way. You can speak all the possible ways. Go and write and speak over it. And you know what I was practicing those days, only the simple thing. It's not like that, but like I read, do I read, don't I read, why do I read, do I eat, I eat, don't I eat, why don't I eat, why should I eat, why should I not eat this word. These type of things I was following. So I think you should also and practice over it if you can do this, and you can see the improvement by yourself. Thanks.